All right, so I'm just hiking along. It's whoa, whoa, almost just took a digger. Holy shit. Oh, sorry for cussing. Anyway, this hiking along, so, maybe this is snowmobile, or maybe this is all hiked out. I don't know. It's a good thing though, because it's deep. Snow's deep. Holy shiest. Anyway, let's go to the penny cam. Yeah. Penny's way up there. You can see my trail I'm in. I mean, if I go off trail, it's like 2 feet deep. These snowshoes don't do shit. So deep. So deep. Anyway, I'll be back. Man, it is so nice out here. What the hell? Come on, son. Come on out. Everyone's having fun out here. I don't know if you can hear those people yelling. Oh, it's so nice. Holy cow. The sky is weird right now. It's like blue and smoky, and I don't know what's up with that. Anyway, I'll be back. Let's fly some drone action here. Okay. Let's see. Take off. All right. know, cause I'm a super dork. I'm gonna catch my drone. Oh yeah, baby.
Landing.
What's up, locals? What's up, locals? Sweet. All right, I think I got some pretty good drone vid action out here. And yeah, it's a nice day. I can barely see it, so bright out. Wow, it's just so nice. We're headed back. We're done. I'm out of here. Just hiking back. It's nice. Chuckale, chuckale. Boca. Boca. Reservoir. Pretty nice. Penny, hey, wait up. Wait up for me. Come here. Hey, little girls. Wait up for me. Come on. Why you always got to be in the front, huh? I take you places. You don't listen. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. What are you doing? Okay, let's go. Come on, let's go.